Hiya. We've got a EGR valve off a VW. Fairly common problem. Just wanted to show you how to have a look at the EGR valve, strip it, clean it, and put it back together. So it's a 2008 Tiguan with a CBA engine, so pretty common engine. Engine management lights come on, EGR valve there, intake manifold flat motor there. We've got them both off. They do get quite gummed up, full of coke and carbon. This one isn't too bad. You can see it's actually just quite dirty and oily. There are some deposits in there, but it's not that bad. But I'm going to clean it anyway. So that's the flat motor or the throttle body, and then towards you've got that forward of the car. Then you've got this, which is the EGR valve bolted immediately behind it. Now this one was really dirty, so I've got plenty of blue roll here, and what we're doing is just gently cleaning it up with a blunt screwdriver and a bit of brake cleaner. Just do this gently, take off the carbon buildup that's on the inside, and get it to the point where it's not restricted anymore. But a lot of people do this and then they neglect to have a look at this part here. So these do get contaminated by oil. If you take off these screws here, you can take this cap off, just gently work it backwards and forwards, take the cap off, and in here you've got two contacts which work on the solenoid. They get full of oil, so you'll get intermittent contact. And also you've got these nylon gears, so when that motor works there, it works this nylon gear on a quadrant, and then if you look, you can see the EGR valve gets opened and shut. So this nylon gear can just slide off the shaft, and you can see that there's a lot of deposits that have made their way onto the inside of the gear. This stuff here, look, and that gums it up, prevents it from working smoothly. So just take your gear off, clean those deposits out, give it all the treatment, get your gear clean, check that the corresponding teeth are all good here, check that everything seems to be moving freely, clean it all up, put it back together, and then you stand a good chance of getting it fixed. And then wash this all down with brake cleaner or carb cleaner or EGR cleaner, whatever you're going to use. And there you go. Just get it nice and clean. Put it back together and you should be fixed.